Here's how to enter recovery mode on Android. Now, the first thing you're going to do on your Android phone is turn it off. So we're going to press and hold that power button until you see power off. Let's tap it twice to completely turn off your phone. I'm on a Samsung Galaxy, but you can do this on any Android phone. After it's turned off, we can boot it up in recovery or safe mode. It works different ways depending on your device. For most Android phones, what you're going to do is press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. So I'm going to do that power button and the volume up button at the very same time, and then hold it until you see Samsung appear in my case, or your phone start booting up. And when it boots up, it'll boot up in recovery mode. If this doesn't work for you, you have a phone that requires the volume down and power button. So instead of volume up and power button at the same time, you're going to press and hold the volume down and power button. After you're in here, you can see the volume controller will be able to let you move around to different options. And then you press that power button to select one of these options once you're in recovery mode.